Do you feel like saving money is impossible, especially when you're already broke? You're not alone. The truth is, saving $1,000 is less about how much you earn, and more about how you manage what you already have. In this video, I'm going to show you step by step how to save your first $1,000 quickly even if you think you can't. Stay until the end, because I'll also share a bonus hack that will speed up your savings. Step 1. Track every dollar. The first step is awareness. Most people lose money because they don't know where it's going. For the next 30 days, track every dollar you spend, yes, even the small stuff like snacks or subscriptions. Once you see your spending habits clearly, you'll realize how much you can redirect towards savings. Step 2. Cut the obvious leaks. Next, cut out what I call money leaks. These are expenses you can live without. Cancel unused subscriptions, reduce takeout meals, and stop impulse shopping. Here's the math. If you cut just $10 a day on small expenses, that's $300 saved in 1 month. Step 3. Apply the 24-hour rule. Impulse purchases kill savings. Before buying anything that isn't essential, wait 24 hours. Most of the time, you'll realize you didn't need it. This simple habit can save you hundreds. Step 4. Increase your income. Cutting costs is powerful, but adding extra income will get you to $1,000 even faster. Try freelancing, selling unused items online, or doing part-time gigs. For example, selling clothes, electronics, or furniture you no longer use can easily bring in $100 to $300. Add that to your savings and you'll hit your goal much faster. Step 5. Automate your savings. Don't rely on willpower. The fastest way to save is to automate it. Set up a separate savings account and transfer money into it the same day you get paid. Even if it's just $20 or $50 a week, it builds up. Remember, saving first means you'll always have something left over, instead of waiting to see what's left at the end of the month. Step 6. Challenge yourself. Turn saving into a game. Try a no-spend week, where you only pay for essentials. Or do a 30-day savings challenge where you put away increasing amounts every day. These small challenges make saving fun and keep you motivated. Bonus hack: save unexpected money. Any money you weren't expecting, tax refunds, bonuses, or even gift money, should go straight into your savings. Don't treat it as spending cash. This alone can push you past your $1,000 goal faster. Recap and call to action. So here's the plan: track your spending, cut leaks, apply the 24-hour rule, boost your income, automate savings, challenge yourself, and save every unexpected dollar. Do this consistently, and you'll reach $1,000 faster than you think, even if you're starting broke. Which of these steps are you going to start today? Comment below, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more money and business tips.